In this video, we shall discuss how to get dy by dx given root of x by y plus root of y by x equal to 6. So let's take the given expression as equation 1. Root of x by y plus root of y by x is equal to 6. Name it as equation 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, this we can do by applying the quotient rule. So let's take the quotient rule states that d by dx of u by v is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v squared. So applying the quotient rule to each of the terms, we have here u is root x, v is root y. So root y into root x, differentiating root x, we get 1 by 2 root x, and differentiating x we get 1 minus u, that is root x, differentiating v, that is root y, we get 1 by 2 root y, differentiating y, we get dy by dx whole divided by y, that is root y the whole square, plus here differentiating, again applying the quotient rule here to find the derivative. V is root x, so root x into 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx minus root y into 1 by 2 root x divided by x is equal to 0. So on taking LCM, we can pick 1 by 2 from each of the term. In the numerator, we have 1 by 2 and the LCM is xy. So it is 1 by 2 xy. In the first term, we have to multiply by x because the LCM is xy. So we have x into root of y by x minus x into root of x by y into dy by dx plus the second expression we multiply by y into root of x by y into dy by dx minus y into root of y by x is equal to 0. Grouping the terms independent of dy by dx and the terms involving dy by dx, we get 1 by 2 xy into x into root of y by x minus y into root of y by x plus y into root of x by y minus x into root of x by y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So that is equal to multiplying by 2xy. This term will go off. Picking y by x, root of y by x in common between the first two terms and root of x by y in common between the next two terms, we get x minus y into root of y by x plus, or we can say minus x minus y into root of x by y dy by dx is equal to 0. So dividing by x minus y on both sides, we have dy by dx is equal to root of y by x divided by root of x by y, that is equal to y by x. Thank you.